Now see here, two cubes of each volume 512 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. Means two cubes they give, join their ends. Two cubes each of volume 512 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. Solution C, given volume of each cube 512 centimeter cube. So here, if side is A, then what is volume of a cube? A cube. So A cube is equal to 512 centimeter cube. So 512 is there now. So 512 is in 512. 225 is 15. 2 6 is 12. 2 12 is 2 8 is 2 12 only for weight. 264 is 232 is 2 16 2 8 is 2 4 is 2 2 is 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Means how many times? See, then this is 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Means 8 into 8 into 8. 8 into 8 into 8 centimeter cube. Means A cube is equal to 8 centimeter cube. Then A is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. So here, means here we will take length. Two cubes each of volume 512 centimeter cube are joined end to end. It is length of cube. Only one cube we did. So here two cubes of volume 512 centimeters are joined end to end. Means, and find the surface area of a resulting cuboid. See here, the length is nothing but here what side, that is A, edge. See, one cube of length is 8 centimeter. Then joined end to end means length will be 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, that is 16 centimeter. Okay. Only length will be increasing, remaining breadth will be 8 centimeter and height will be also 8 centimeter. Means B is equal to 8 centimeter and height is also 8 centimeter. Okay. So now what they ask? Surface area of resulting cuboid means surface area of cuboid, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that is 2 into, what is length here now? 16 into 8 plus here B means 8 centimeter, which is also here. Again H, 8 into L is 16. That is, see here, 168 here 128, 68 here 128, 128 plus 128. See here, 128 plus 128, 65, 256. 8 8 is 64, 321. So 2 into 320 centimeters square. That is 200, 204 means 236, 640 centimeters square is the surface area of resulting cuboid. Here, when two cubes are joined, their length is increasing. That's why they are asking cuboid. Okay, height and breadth will be same. And here you have to observe, A is nothing but its length, breadth, height also. But joined end to end, that's why we took length L equals to plus 8 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and breadth will be 8 centimeter, height will be 8 centimeter. So therefore required surface area of a cuboid is 640 centimeter square. 640 centimeter square.